Are you seeing error in your Windows Defender virus and threat protection? In this video, you will see how to fix the threat service has stopped. Restart it now error. Uninstall third-party antivirus. The first thing you can do is to disable the third-party antivirus. Sometimes, the third-party antivirus conflicts with the Windows Defender and could cause this error. So open the settings, go to the apps, click on Installed Apps. Now search for your third-party antivirus. Click on this three-dot menu and select Uninstall. Follow the instructions to uninstall the app. Now restart your PC and check if the error has disappeared. If not, follow the next fixes. Start Windows Defender services. To fix the threat service has stopped error, you can check and start the Windows Defender services. Press the Windows plus R button and type services.msc, then hit enter. Now locate Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection Service, double-click on it, then make sure its startup type is manual, and if the service not running, click on Start. Now locate Windows Defender Firewall Service. You need to set its startup type as automatic, then start the service. Edit Windows Registry. Press the Windows plus R button, type Reg, edit and hit enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now copy the first registry key from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Hit enter and you will reach the Windows Defender key. Now on the right side, observe and look for the Disable Antivirus and Disable Anti-Spyware keys. If these keys are there, double-click on them and set the value to 0. If these keys are not there, right-click on the empty area, select New DWORD 32-bit value. Then name the key Disable Antivirus, press Enter. Open the key and set the value to 0. Now similarly create another DWORD 32-bit key, name it Disable Anti-Spyware, and set its value to 0 also. Now restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, you can give a shot to another registry key. Open the registry editor. Now copy the second registry key from the description, paste it on the address bar, and hit enter. On the right side, locate the start key, double-click to open it, and set its value as 2. Click OK. Now restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Re-register Windows Defender. The next thing you can do is re-register the Windows Defender. Right-click on your Start menu, now select Terminal Admin. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now copy the command from the video description and paste it into the PowerShell window. Hit the Enter button. Windows Defender will be registered. Now see if the error is fixed. You run SFC and DISM Command. To fix the threat service has stopped error, you can run the SFC and DISM commands. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on the command prompt, and select Run as administrator. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Now type SFC /scan now and hit Enter. Once the scan is done, close the command prompt and restart your PC. If you are still seeing the error, you can run the DISM command. Open the command prompt with administrator privilege. Type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Hit the Enter button and let the scan complete. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Create a new user account. If after following all these fixes you are still seeing threat service has stopped error, you can create a new user account and use that account, and the error will disappear in the new account. To do that, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to the Accounts section. Here scroll down and select Other Users. Then here click on Add Account. If you want to add an online account, enter your Microsoft email and then authenticate it with your password. If you want to add an offline account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now, here click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Then enter the username, enter password, re-enter the password, choose your security questions, and answer for it. Then click Next. Once you create a new user account, sign out and log in with the new account. The command prompt window popping problem will most likely disappear in this new account. Repair Windows 11 by upgrading. Another method you can try to fix the threat service has stopped error is repairing your Windows 11 PC by upgrading it. To do that, visit the Download Windows 11 page of Microsoft. From here, download the Windows 11 installation media. Run the Media Creation tool. Click Yes in the UAC. Now accept the agreement, click Next. Next, select the Upgrade this PC now option. Click Next and follow the instructions to upgrade your PC. Hopefully threat service has stopped. Restart it now, error will be fixed. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. And share this useful video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.